Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to turn on camera and mic permissions in Chrome. Open Chrome browser. Open any website. Click View Site Information. Click Site Settings. Allow camera and microphone. Click 3-dot Settings. Click Site Settings. You can delete already enabled permission. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.